Hey, what's up guys, hope all doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we'll check out that update. So first up, you just have to go into the settings of your device, then you have to scroll all the way down and tap on this software update. Now from here you'll get to see that the last update that I got was of January 1st 2026. But after tapping on download and install, you will get to see that there is a new update available. So this is the security patch update that is now available. So it is a security patch update with the 430 MBs in size with the security patch level and date of February 5th 2026. First of all, you will have to download this update, and once the update is downloaded, you just have to simply install it on your device. It is 430 MBs in size, so once the update is downloaded, simply tap on install now to complete the installation process. As you can see, the install now option is now available, but make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your phone during this installation process, and this installation process might take a while. So once your phone is free, simply tap on install now and the installation process will begin. And once the installation is completed, your device will automatically restart, and as you can see now it is on the latest February 5th 2026 security patch update. Further, if we talk about the One UI 8.5 update for this Galaxy S24 Ultra, so the One UI 8.5 update is officially released with the Galaxy S26 series, but if you ask that when you can get this on your Galaxy S24 Ultra, so that might take a while. As first of all, it will be available for the Galaxy S25 series, so you can expect this update on your Galaxy S24 Ultra in the month of April end or May. As first of all, it will be released for the Galaxy S25 series, then the Galaxy S24 will get it, and then the other flagship models and the mid-range series will get this One UI 8.5 update. And that's wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So check out this update, and if you're new to this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.